Hey everyone, this is Inva03 and today we are going to unbox HG Gundam The Origin RX 7802 Gundam. I know I have already made the entry grade Gundam and also the HG, but when this came out, this was supposed to be the best HG RX 72 out there. This thing I believe is even better than the Gundam Beyond Global. I mean, just look at the box art, it's so cool. You get two rifles, two type of shoulders, two type of torsos. Everything in this is awesome, detailed and nicely colored. I have to say the yellows are quite bright. The red and blues, well, unlike the entry grade, these are a little bit harder. As you can see, two type of torsos, universal back joints, and those caps that goes on the shoulders of torso. Really nice. The white is actually very much NASA white, if I have to say. Yellows and reds are really nice on this again. And this is the back cannon that we will have in this Origins version. The Origin versions are known for these back cannons. Even the polycaps, as you can see, there are a lot of polycaps. This is going to be an awesome build. Oh my god, I can't believe this. We have a dry sheet, a dry decal sheet for this. All the caution stickers. This is amazing. I wasn't expecting it to be so much nicer. I was expecting only stickers and be done with it, but this is going to make an Origins kit. This is really nice. All the parts look nicely darker, and we even have the open hands, different type of hands for this, so that is nice. I like how every gray and black is different. The white parts, again, as you can see, you won't find any bigger white parts because everything is supposed to be armored and detailed. And we have two beam sabers in this next runners, two beam sabers, long ones, real nice, and some rifle part, two beam rifle parts I see here. And on the back side we have, first time in the history of Gunpla, the RX 782 and HG comes with a brightly colored bazooka. I mean, it does look awesome even in the art. The next thing, we are going to show around the manual. As you can see, posability is not an issue. A lot of graphic details here, and all the where every decal goes. I hope I will be able to save some of the decals for my other builds, like the HG Shinanju. I would very much like it to have some caution decals, not the SF ones. Now see here, some of the parts here from different kits, because this is not the first HG Origins kit. There were a lot and they have been recycled parts, but overall the details and the construction of this is, well, bigger and longer than the other kits I've built. And this is someone who has built the HG UC kit. Okay, so the polycaps and the other parts, it is telling us to leave those. Some more extra parts, I will see where I can use them, but really it is nice to have all these extra bits and pieces. I do collect my polycaps. You should too. Once the ones you used on your models are rubbed up, you can always change them. That is the good use of a polycap, although I don't like very much. Alright guys, that's up for today, and I see a lot of detail and instructions here. Oh, found the sticker. Now guys, I hope you're having a good time with your builds, your hobbies and all, but please do like, subscribe and share. I do need to monetize these videos so I can get a little more money and keep making videos. This kit is gonna be awesome with all the details I have seen. So goodbye, take care. Again, some really nice details. I'm gonna be so excited building this. All right, guys, see you soon. Goodbye and have a blast. And please do like, subscribe, and share. Again, gonna need that money.